What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Tech Profit. I'm back at y'all with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over rough patches in the market, how to find them, and how to deal with them so you don't end up crashing out and feeling like you don't know what you're doing in the market. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for more content like this, where I go over psychology for all you traders out there that are struggling, trying to become profitable, and all the nuances that will be in your way as a trader. And this is how you deal with things, how to deal with these things, so that way when they appear in your journey, they won't knock you off square, and I can give you guys a consistent way to improve as a trader and not really go backwards. It's gonna be hard, but I'm here giving out everything that I'm struggling with on my journey to reach profitability, and I feel like this information is valuable to other traders that are in my position, and they actually help me get back afloat when things just go rough. So I appreciate everybody that's been showing support to the channel recently. We just crossed over 400 subscribers the other day, so I'm super grateful for you guys for tuning in. It's been an amazing journey. It's been an amazing amount of growth in the past 3 months. So I truly believe that I found my purpose. I truly believe that I found my spot in the YouTube space, in the trader space, when it comes to helping traders out, and people are relating to it. And I'm just grateful to be in this position. And I'm just going to keep documenting my journey for y'all. I'm going to keep making these videos for y'all because I need them too, because nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect, and I still struggle. The moment I felt like I had it all, it was just something else for me to master, something else for me to learn. So I appreciate everybody, and I'm just going to leave it there. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to join the team, link is down below in the description, where we have calls Monday through Friday, and we have back testing sessions and psychology calls every weekend. So if y'all want that with me, a lot of like-minded individuals, and my mentor, y'all are always free to go hit that link, try it out. If y'all like it, let's keep it going. Let's just get FBA to 500 members by the end of this year. We're going to get to 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So I appreciate everybody. But yes, now straight into the video. Today is just getting through rough patches, knowing when to find them and how to deal with them. So as I'm making this video, I think today is October 14th or October 15th. Right? Damn. Today is October 14th. We are still experiencing a government shutdown right now. And we were just at all-time highs before the huge market drop on Friday. So all you traders out there, y'all know what I'm talking about. October 14th, 2025 is when I'm making this video, so it doesn't throw anybody off. Now, there's discernment, right? Okay, we have a government shutdown. That means money is going to be moving entirely different with the government. This makes investors cautious. This makes price indecisive, and therefore that is a time when price action is not going to be as clean. So anytime, I'm just saying this right now, how do we deal with it? Risk less, take better setups, risk less, trade better setups, risk less, trade better setups. That's all you can really do to protect your capital. You know, trade less days. And when you do take trades, risk less, because I have been like experiencing like a massive losing streak, and it wasn't even because of my setups. It was just because my psychology was so cooked from everything I was dealing with my last funded account, and then trying to get another funded account around the same time. We are at all-time highs, and there's a government shutdown going on, and I'm expecting price to work in my favor. It's not going to be like that. I just want everybody to be aware of the conditions that we're in, because, I mean, nothing's guaranteed. We're not even guaranteed to see our setup every single day. It's not guaranteed to be showing at the time that we are there to trade. Things may happen at the open. Things may happen an hour after the open. So it's always important that you guys are patient with your entries, selective with your trade ideas, and you wait for them to play out and you execute perfectly. So I've been struggling with executing trades recently because my confidence went down because of the loser streak, because of all-time high price action because of government shutdown. Now, this may not affect every trader, but I know it can affect somebody because it affected me. So when I say these things, I never want it to be like, yo, everybody's experiencing it. No, some people are moving through this like it's not affecting them at all, but we don't know where they are in their journey. If they're already profitable, they're already making money, they already have probably been trading 3 to 4 years. They probably traded through multiple um, government events. They probably traded during COVID. They know how things work when price gets so all-time high. I know these things too, but I wouldn't say I've mastered it. I've been through 2 or 3 years of all-time highs. Like, I've probably been through 4 all-time highs for different pairs, different indices, and I've probably only been through 3 or 4 or 5 major events, like in the world that can affect the economy, like government shutdown. I wasn't here for COVID, but I just want everybody to know, like, if you're not a profitable trader yet, and you're trying to reach these new goals, you're trying to get these new achievements, these new accolades, and we're going through a government shutdown at all-time high, and you're losing setups, you're not seeing setups, it can fry your brain a bit because you're not even profitable yet and you're trying to get something going and not just working out for you right now, and then you lose confidence in yourself, belief in your system, and then what I'm saying, you're taking steps backwards. Now you're over trading, you're getting frustrated, you're over risking. That's literally what's been happening to me ever since I lost my funded account. But I understood I had to take a step back, slow everything down, lower risk, take less trades, and just kind of like knock myself down a notch to be comfortable. And that's what I recommend to anybody that is struggling with that. If you are having a lot of losing periods, you are losing accounts, you are kind of losing your mind in the sense of like you don't know what you're doing. That's just a feeling. It's not real. You know exactly how to trade. You know what works. You know what doesn't. Things are just not playing out how you want them to right now. The market isn't responding to none of your confluences right now, and it's okay. And like I said, it's not going to be for every single trader. Some people are still getting their setups, but they might trade the 1 minute, the 5 minute. I feel like anybody that's trading low time frames right now, they're totally fine. But people that trade like nothing really below the 30-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour, it gets a little shaky. It gets a little rocky. That's just what I've been noticing. So I know if people have been trading the 1 minute to 5 minute, I know they're good. But for traders like us that like maybe trade 1 hour minimum, it can be a little bit harder to read price action. The main thing though is you don't want your psychology to get fried, because once your psychology is fried, nothing's going to work regardless, because you're not going to make it work. You're not going to be in the right frame of mind to even have it work. You're going to just wish you get a trade, and that first trade you think is going to be a win, but it's a loss because you did something wrong. And now you're taking more trades trying to chase the money that you lost, and you're just compounding a mistake with another mistake. And I've also like added lockouts. So I think once you have discernment and you know you're in an all-time high, right? You know there's a government shutdown. I just always recommend you lower risk, you trade less, and when you do trade, execute perfectly with that specific setup. And if it's a win or loss, do not overtrade, do not get frustrated, because if you compound one mistake with another mistake, you're going to blow accounts. When you blow accounts, you lose confidence in yourself, and you lose confidence in your system, and your psychology is fried. So now you're like taking steps back. And I don't want that for anybody, because it can literally make you believe that you can't trade. And all it takes is that belief that you can't trade to actually not trade. You know what I'm saying? So I really think it's just important that y'all never really give up on yourself. Let me see what else I'll put down for you guys. Y'all know I always keep my notes, right? Oh yeah, I think I really said everything I needed to say on this video. It wasn't like too long. I just know right now, like this time right now, price action has been like wonky and people haven't been able to find their setups. Just stay with the things that you know work. Go back in your journal, review all your trades, and just like scroll back a couple of weeks back and see, like, get the confidence to know it works. It was working before this happened. And if you want to be able to still make money during this time, you just got to find out what's working right now, but it won't last for long. Just always keep your playbooks. Like, you can make a new playbook for all-time highs. What's the best move to make for all-time high until price drops, until price finally falls and gives a retracement that the market needs. And I think that's just the hard part, is every all-time high, it keeps pushing the new high, and everybody's waiting for the day it's going to fall, and you don't know when that's going to be. And so when price falls, 1,000 points, and then we come back this week, price is way more volatile. I'm pretty sure you see in the market that price is like your points are very, 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 like, your ranges are super wide. Your 50-point stop loss is probably 100 now, because the market is moving very fast for the price it's at right now. And that's fine. But price is getting back to normal price action. Price is getting back to your normal trading conditions. So just stay in the game until conditions are smoothed out again. The goal is to stay in the game. The goal is to play defense when the time is right. And I think, like, that's what I want you guys to really take away from this video, is that your edge may not play out every single day of the market, every single week, every single month. I mean, for the month, you should get something. But I mean, every single week, your setups may not hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just the truth of it. Like, if there's one setup that can be good every single month without one bad week, without one losing week, okay, maybe you got something. But shit, that's like 1 of the 1%. God damn it. So I just want everybody to make sure, as you're on your journey to profitability, that you're not kicking yourself in the damn ass while you're trying to get there. I want you guys to keep a high level of belief in yourself, in the Most High, and just keep yourself grounded and just follow the plan. Stick to the plan. Do not switch up on your plan. Do not switch up on your system. This is not the time to give up on your system and try something new. And I'm saying this because I find myself asking people, like, certain shit about how they're making money right now. That's not what this is about. When your trading plan isn't giving you the best results right now, it's fine. Somebody else is eating right now. That's awesome. But we not switching up the plan. We're not switching up our trajectory. We're not switching up our data. We're not finna go back test a whole new strategy to see if this really gonna work long term. But we got this over here. You can't start scrambling your mind. You know the process. It works before. It's gotten you payouts before. It's gotten you funded before. What are we switching up for? Stay true to the process. Stay true to yourself. Trust and believe God. Work hard, and you'll stay in the game. But please take what I said into consideration. Have the discernment. Know when trading conditions aren't ideal. Trade less, risk less. Keep that confidence up. Build that confidence up. But yeah, I'm gonna get to the next video. I appreciate everybody that's been tuning in. Like I said, we just hit 400 subscribers. I'm very thankful. 500 is next, and after that, I'm going straight for 1,000. So I believe my 500 goal before the end of this year is definitely going to be achieved, and I'm going to bump it up to 1,000. So I'm going for 1,000 subs by the end of 2025, and I'm doing everything in my power to get there. So once again, appreciate everybody for tuning into these videos. It's your boy Rich Take Profit signing out. Put God first, keep grinding and growing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.